treat yourself to a test drive in the 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include air conditioning, delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.